Vegetables don't actually exist. Science says your salad is just a bowl of fruit. We grow up learning tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers are vegetables, but biology quietly disagrees. Here's the simple rule. If it has seeds, it's a fruit. In science, a fruit is the part of a plant that develops from a flower and holds the seeds. Tomatoes grow from flowers. They carry seeds. That makes them fruit. Cucumbers, fruit. Peppers, also fruit. Pumpkins, zucchinis, even eggplants. If there are seeds inside, biology calls it fruit. So, what is a vegetable? Vegetable is not a scientific category. It's a cooking word. In the kitchen, we group plants by taste and use, not by seeds. Leaves like lettuce, roots like carrots, and stems like celery are vegetables in cooking. But scientifically, your vegetable salad is fruit, leaves, roots, and stems mixed together. So vegetables don't exist in biology. They exist in recipes. And now you know why your salad is having an identity crisis.